Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to perform two-way ANOVA in JAMOVI and its interpretation. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel, econometrics and statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the idea of two-way ANOVA. Now, two-way ANOVA is used to determine whether we have significant difference in the mean of a continuous dependent variable across multiple levels of two independent variables. So here you can see we have two independent variables, gender and residence. Both variables are measured on nominal scale. So in gender we have two categories, male and female, and in residence we have three categories, rural, semi-urban and urban. So whether student is from rural area, semi-urban area or urban area. And then I have the data on their stress level. So stress level becomes our continuous dependent variable, and I have the hypothetical data of 60 students. You can see here I have the hypothetical data of 60 students, their gender, type of residence and stress level. So therefore we can perform two-way ANOVA to know whether we have gender wise, residence wise difference in the stress level, and we can also measure the interaction effect. So how to perform it? Let's see. Go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of ANOVA. So click on it. In ANOVA we have option of ANOVA again. So click on ANOVA. Now what is our dependent variable? Our dependent variable is stress. So move stress to dependent variable box. Our fixed factors are gender and residence. So move them to fixed factors box. And now you can check the significant difference, whether we have significant difference gender wise, residence wise, and whether we have the interaction. So see here, this is gender wise difference. So you can see the associated p-value is greater than 0.05, and therefore we fail to reject the null hypothesis. That means we do not have gender wise difference in the stress level. In other words, the stress level of male students is not significantly different from female students. Now you check residence. This is less than 0.05. The F statistic is 21.069. Associated p-value is less than 0.05, and therefore we reject H0. So what is H0 in this case? There is no residence wise difference in stress level. We are rejecting this null hypothesis, and therefore we conclude that yes, we have the significant difference in the stress level between students live in rural, semi-urban and urban area. And to identify that which group is different from others, we need to perform the post hoc test. Now before that, let's see the interaction effect. So here we have the interaction effect. Associated p-value is greater than 0.05, and therefore we fail to reject the null hypothesis, and we conclude that there is no significant interaction effect. Now let's perform the post hoc test. So see here we have the option of post hoc tests. So we want to perform the post hoc test for residence. So move residence to this box. Select Turkey. So by default Turkey is selected. So now here we have the pairwise comparison. Post hoc analysis does the pairwise comparison. So let's understand this. So first we have rural and semi-urban. This is mean difference. That is mean of stress level for rural students and the mean of stress level for semi-urban students. So this shows the mean difference. Associated t-value is minus 5.57, associated p-value is less than 0.05, and therefore we conclude that yes, mu of r is significantly different from semi-urban. Now let's see rural and urban. Mean difference is 19.79, t statistic is minus 5.88, associated p-value is again less than 0.05. Therefore we conclude that rural stress level is significantly different from urban. But if you see this semi-urban and urban, mean difference is minus 3.03, but it is not statistically significant because p-value is greater than 0.05. That means mu of semi-urban, that is mean of stress level for semi-urban students, is not significantly different from urban students. So since we have this difference, we find the overall difference in the F, or overall significant difference in the ANOVA. So that is the idea of two-way ANOVA and post hoc analysis. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.